Part of what's making the outdoors so appealing is now we have the comforts and luxuries of the indoors. Design elements like this water feature and this fire pit, they help define a space.
We need some marshmallows, right?
I know! But what's really heating up is outdoor kitchens.
Everyone's talking about outdoor living and kitchens, grilling, that's what you do outdoors. I think it's all about when you're living outdoor, how do you approach it in a way that becomes an extension of your living space without being a burden of sort of upkeep. These outdoor cabinets that we have are actually powder-coated stainless steel. They will hold up to the elements, which is what you need outside.
Love that. You don't see that very often.
No,
it's steel on the inside.
Extremely durable. We make sure that you can accommodate grills of any size. Comes in a variety of colors and configurations. You're only limited by what your own design choices are.
You're really bringing the indoor outdoor.
We are.